Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All-in-One. In this video we will see MCQs on the physical features of world. So let us start with the question number 1. This question is I have took from the NCERT textbook and framed them in the form of MCQs. So let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 is here: which strait connects Arctic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean and separates the continents of Asia and North America? Options here are Davis Strait. Second option is Bering Strait. Third is Strait of Malaysia. And option number D is none. So 4 options are given. The question is which strait connects Arctic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean and separates the continents of Asia and North America? The right option to this question is option number second, Bering Strait. Let us have eye on the map. See, this is the Asia, this is the North America. Arctic Ocean is here and North Pacific Ocean is here, and this is the Bering Strait. So Bering Strait connects Arctic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. The strait connects Arctic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean and separates the continents of Asia and North America. I have introduced here the map so that it will retain in memory for the longer period. Now see the question number second here. Arctic Ocean located in the Arctic Circle and surrounds us. First option is here North Pole. Second option is here South Pole. Third option is here both, and fourth option is here none. Arctic Ocean located in the Arctic Circle, north, south, it surrounds North Pole. Hope you have got clear about this. Now see third question here. Biggest ocean on the earth is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. 4 options are given. You can pause the video and answer it, then resume it. Now see, the right option to this question is option number first. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean on the earth. Now see fourth question here. In the east of Indian Ocean is Australia, Africa, North America and none. In the east of Indian Ocean is Australia. So option number 1 is correct option. See fifth question here. Correct order of the continents as per their size. First option is Asia is greater than Africa is greater than Europe. Second is here Africa is greater than Asia is greater than Europe. And third option is here Europe is greater than Asia is greater than Africa. The right option to this question is option number first. Asia in terms of size is greater than Africa, which is in turn greater than Europe. So the option number first is correct option. Now see question number 6 here. Correct about the Europe continent is in its south is the Mediterranean Sea, in its west is the Atlantic Ocean, in its north is the Arctic Ocean, or option number D is all of the above. Correct about the Europe continent is in its south is the Mediterranean Sea, it is the first option. In its west is the Atlantic Ocean, in its north is the Arctic Ocean. North, this is south, this is west and this is east. The right option to this question is option number D, all the above. Now let us have an eye on the map. See, this is the Europe and this is the Arctic Ocean. So if we can plot directions, in the north is the Arctic Ocean, in the south here is the Mediterranean Sea, this is the Mediterranean Sea here. So in the north is the Arctic Ocean, in the south is the Mediterranean Sea, and this is the west direction, this is the east direction. In the west direction is the Atlantic Ocean is here. Hope you have got clear about the MCQ. So the option number D is correct. In the north is the Arctic Ocean, in the west is the Atlantic Ocean, and in the south is the Mediterranean Sea. Now see seventh question here. Largest country in Europe area wise is Russia, Norway, Denmark and Iceland. The right option to this question is option number first, Russia is the largest country in Europe area wise. Now see eighth question here. Which among the following was the first to consider the possibility of Europe, Africa and America have been located side by side? Options here are Alfred Wegener, Antonio Pellegrini, and third option is here Ibrahim Ortelius. The right option to this question is option number C. Ibrahim Ortelius was the first to consider the possibility of Europe, Africa and America have located side by side. Now see one more question here. Which of the following straits connected the Mediterranean Sea to the Atlantic Ocean? Strait of Hormuz, Strait of Gibraltar, and third is Bosphorus Strait, and fourth is Dover Strait. Now let us see first map and then we will come to the MCQ options. See, this is the Atlantic Ocean, this is the Mediterranean Sea, here is the Strait of Gibraltar. So the right option to this question is option number second. So these were the 10 MCQs related to the physical features of the world from the NCERT textbook, which I have framed in form of MCQ form. The request is, if you have got some amount of information from my video, you are requested to subscribe the channel. That is the best way to say thanks to me. Also, if you wish to add any extra point, you are welcome in my comment box. Thank you. Stay blessed.